Kasuka jela ka map no shisen tnak lano ni one time settlement ya barok ki kali kamai ke bakham seu ya khajna bat kumju ki basya dan kuna na ka jing bumbiang ki kot ki sla ka jing rong ka kali ni fitness kani ki jing map kan tekam no mador haduk lai phuai trik unaila matau snem aja phunri kani ki jing map suka kalong prapho persen ya ka khajna kali bat kitmar bat khandai pho persen ya khajna jingbit jingbiang ki kali ni fitness certificate lembaga ni kijing map no ya ka khachna barkiwe kijing seu ka soka kandu kumba pras pa kru tengka na ka badai ban yo khatway spa kru kat kum kijing ya thu usumbun trang ba ka jela badai pe ya ka tnat kakit ka ba kalai kawan ba seu bahlang dhar kidon rupsan haja tali kali ki bum seu ya ka motor vehicle tax kidon khat a haja rus pa sopa tali ki kali bum seu ya goods and passenger tax bat kidon san penyo haja tali ki bum seu ya ka fitness certificate kani kesenjam kalong ban yarap igi try kali ke bahasa aram sibun ban seu ya khajna se soka hagni kisnem blale ha ka juko po sembut tang ma ora kentu igi try kali bakin seu tikna no hadin blakut kani ka scheme ke ba alat yaki menta sisen ma
ila kam tam geleng na ba ai public kerpang igi tim joan po ni transport department officer hadin bingila de pas ya ka Kabinet akhirnya gisni beladab, kumila pemnai kini one time settlement scheme, nak mentang waive of ya taxes of vehicle kumala brief hani ki beladab exactly ya bede berka motor vehicle taxes and good taxes kabalong din waive by percent hak bede ber fitness in waive by 90%. Mentang kasi nalong finally ke sistem galon ready in place, kenang bagi ba dungi mentang like formally launching kemundu lesai kelak ban cemat ban siuno ek by kot by slavugi kuming la pemnah kabel ang isi beladab all commercial vehicle big and small not from which year till date whatever dues has been there so they can come and clear the dues as per the formula which has been structured by the government as per this one time settlement scheme which have been announced already roughly the sarkar kelak ban yo kumbaduna ars paklur plus more or less Namar barok ka dues at kumbungila calculate not exactly kalaban poi almost 1100 crore. So after we waive, roughly we waive more than 800 crore. So kata government kanang yuk ke revenue trial kalap menduna kai kumbar sepakur maybe 180 170 crore more or less. Kadai ke jinyarap ke revenue jong government bar haju ke poro kadai ke relief ba egi cost margin kani ke try kali kam. I would like to make sure and request to my officer and to all the truck owner after they finish this one time scheme, so from next phases or from next quarter I request him to come regularly so that we will no more big news like how it happened in the last 2 years. For example, like the data with me here also from motor vehicle taxes almost 65,000 approximately, and from good passenger tax over 12,642, and for penalties which is for fitness certificate is more than 57,000 vehicle. It's huge number. That's why the amount become very huge.
We'll be making it live, sir.
Yeah.
They will host it now, sir. Now, so maybe from tomorrow onwards, people can start visiting.
So thank you so much for all the team of transport under your guidance, and I say thank you so much because we have passed in the cabinet for the last few weeks. So finally today we have come to the
Launching.
So I'm very happy to announce that. So our beloved people can come forward and be grateful for their benefits.